In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then scroll down again to click on screen locks and biometrics. Enter your screen lock and tap on face recognition. Now hit continue. Tap on register and keep your face in frame following all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're ready, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!